everyone, this is Jose, the general manager here at Palm Harbor Homes in Abilene. And today, I'm excited to give you a tour of one of our most popular homes, here at Rancho. But before we do that, I want to tell you a little bit about the exterior. Right away, you can see the beautiful appeal that this home gives, that clean, ranch style modern design. Now, if you take a look at the LP Smart siding, guys, this LP Smart siding is water resistant, protects your home from termite, and is built tough to withstand the West Texas heat and weather. Okay, if you look up, you will see the 6-inch eaves that come with our homes. Guys, those 6-inch eaves is a very important feature to look for when you're looking for in these houses. Those 6-inch eaves protect your home from any damage from water. And if you look up a little bit higher, you'll see the 29-gauge black metal roof that's a standard with the El Rancho. That's a standard feature that comes with the El Rancho, guys. Okay? Now look at our stylish windows. Not only are they stylish, but they're double window panels and they're energy efficient. Guys, saving you a lot of money every month on those electric bills. Who doesn't like to save money? Now, if you're looking for durability, a black metal roof, or just a great curb appeal, the El Rancho is a home for you. Now let's step inside and see what other amazing features this home has to offer.
What's going on, guys? It's Elijah, Palm Harbor Homes here in Abilene, Texas. And if you guys like the exterior of the El Rancho, you guys are gonna love the interior. This home has 8.5-foot tall sidewalls and coffered ceilings, making your home feel a lot bigger and also giving it some extra character that most other home manufacturers don't have. This home also comes with a 48-inch long electrical fireplace, and we can also convert this one to a wood burning fireplace if you would like. It also does have this shelf right here, perfect for a flat screen TV and easily accessible outlets so you don't have wires hanging in your living room. Next thing, we're going to go right into the kitchen. This big, huge island, enough to serve a whole Thanksgiving feast on it. You also do have some shelves right here to the right side of it so you can add some more decor or a little bit of extra storage space. But this island already does come included with 2 huge drawers, 2 small drawers, and a microwave right here in the island so you don't have to take up counter space. You can also convert this into some extra shelves if you would like. This home also does come with a 7-inch deep farm style sink, okay? And it comes with the range, this glass top stove top, and this beautiful big laundry room. You have the folding table right here, a whole water shutoff valve right here, and you do also get a deep farm style sink in here as well, so you can wash off your hands, wash off clothes, or wash off your kids' feet before they come back inside the house. Next thing you have is this Whirlpool French door refrigerator, and it also does come with a ice machine and a water machine, purified water, so you don't have to have water bottles laying around everywhere inside your home. Next, my favorite part of the kitchen is this 11-foot deep pantry. This pantry comes with wooden shelves all around, and it does come with a broom closet and a mop closet. It also comes with a coffee area, so you can put your coffee maker right here, fix it all up. And it comes with an 18 cubic inch deep freezer. So you can store your deer meat in there, your pig meat, any type of meat that you would need. You can store it in the pantry, easily accessible inside your home. Next, we're going to take a look at the master bedroom. Nice size master bedroom, enough to fit a king size bed, some drawers, maybe even a night table, and plenty of space in here. It also does come with a French door master closet or real wooden shelves, so you don't have those wire shelves breaking on you whenever you put a wire shelf on here. Next thing we have is this master bathroom. This master bathroom itself is like a whole spa. It comes with 2 sinks, one for the misses, one for the misters, and then it also does come with a lights behind the mirror, so it's easy to get up and notice all the other things you would need on your face. Next thing you have is this window right here and this 72-inch shower with glass right here, not only giving it a spa look, but it's also very easy to clean. Next thing you have right here is the men's office, an area where you could go to the number 2 and close this door and turn on the vent in here as well. You also do have plenty of cabinet space below the sink area. But if that's not enough, you also do have a 6-door linen storage right behind the closet. And another plus for the missus is also a whole vanity mirror, right? So you can get ready all right here, leave everything you would need over here, and still have space with your 2 sinks over here. Now we're going to take a look at the rest of this home. This home is a 4-bed, 3-bath, 1,984 square foot home. But we can also get this home in a 3-bed, 2-bath, a 4-bed, 2-bath, or a 5-bed, 3-bath, or a 4-bed, 2-bath with an extra living area. Right here, you have a guest bathroom. And then you have your first guest bedroom. An extra closet right here in the hallway. So you can put your vacuum to vacuum the carpet floors. And you also do have an extra linen storage for the guest bathrooms over here as well. And then you have the second guest bedroom right here with the closet and 1 window. And you do have a Jack and Jill bathroom in between the second guest bedroom and the third guest bedroom. If you guys love the way this beautiful home looks, come to 3301 Hickory Street right here in Abilene, Texas. See you guys later.